when you're first in line at Discount Tire and they won't open.
Come on, man, we gotta go to 2K. Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I told you I would be vlogging on the iPhone today because I want to upload a vlog on Friday. Today's Thursday. Let me remind you that. Today is actually Thursday, but I already have a video going up on Thursday that I recorded Wednesday, so this video is going to go on Friday. Probably be mostly about the trip and getting down to Houston, but I got to do it on my iPhone because I don't have a way to upload a video on Friday. So here we are. We are headed to 2K today. Kevin's putting new tires on the Demon, which I don't know if he's going to make a video about that or not. But had to put new tires on the Demon because they are bald as shit. Probably from my Trump burnout and all the other burnouts I do in it. So he's got to work a little bit today. I wish we could have left a little bit earlier. But the earliest we could leave, I think, was 9 o'clock. So we are headed out here at 9 a.m. Probably get there sometime around like between 6 to 7. And then we've got the midnight performance meet tonight. So I'm going to have Kennedy try and vlog with the phone because I've got to catch some footage of the actual meet. And then hopefully we get some Mexico runs in. But we'll see you guys on the way to Houston. Well, it's 8 o'clock. We finally made it. What the f? You need it right now? Alright, Ken Dog. What took us so long, Kennedy?
Took too many naps on the way here.
Kennedy took way too many naps. What's the agenda for the night, Eric?
Fucking, I don't know.
Wow, come on, man.
Meat, race.
That's right. Meat, race.
No,
eat meat. Eat meat, race.
Don't get pulled over.
Don't get pulled over, yeah.
Don't go to jail.
Then don't go to jail. Always key.
Looks like you're really looks like fastest.
All 48 of them.
Yeah. You can see another 50 of them tonight.
Picture doesn't do that.
Rigo's sweet new wheel setup. Shout out Dave for the plug. God damn. Those are clean. Hello. Talib's Paxton Mustang. CTS. Another Jeep.
Branson.
Oh.
These my New Mexico boys rolling out, man. Bubsy gets here. Everybody packs bags. Dance! I ain't having it.
Everyone turns their car.
Everybody stay! Please! My channel!
Alright, so we are headed over to Midnight Auto Performance. Or maybe it's just Midnight Performance. I don't know. Anyways, we're headed over there. I'm going to try and do some cinematic shots. Kennedy's going to have to run the vlog. She's going to get just a couple clips for you guys so you can kind of see behind the scenes. But we just met up with Rigo and everyone from Mob Auto Boutique. And we're going to roll over there. So at midnight, only 1,000 horsepower plus cars are allowed to park inside just because it's going to be so packed. It's unreal. You guys are about to see here in just a second. So we're going to have to park down the street like a bunch of peasants. But we'll get some sick shots for you. So we'll see you guys over there. Ooh, it's real dark.
It's real dark outside, boys. Anyone order Jimmy John's? Because it's here.
Like lunch together, like, and hang out.
Vibrant meetings.
Let's talk about our stocks.
All the cars.
Sketchy vert.
It goes all the way down. What are those?
States, you know, Texas races are fucking lot. And we have a lot of states here with some badass cars and we want to gap them. So either you guys gap us or we gap you. It's mutual. It's 50-50. Alright? We're the race and we're down the race. We'll race all fucking night. Shake hands or not. That's pretty much all I have to say. This group at JCPenney on 99.910 is behind the shell. Fast and Furious and shit. Once we get out of here, I'm gonna stop by there because it's fucking early. But once I stop by there, if I didn't talk to you or you make power, approach me. I'll get you dialed in. If you make power and you want to run and you have not talked to me and you don't want to fucking sit in the parking lot and hold hands, you hit me up. We'll fucking race. I got you. Cool, that's all I gotta say. Thanks for coming out, guys.
Dilo de nuevo.
Hellcat is.
Yeah, look out.
Yeah. Everyone's making their money for the year.
I know you railed it, but that's the whole way.
What is it?
Oh, it would have been a rush, like trying to put miles on it, figuring out how the nitrous is working.
I know, we'd be driving on the highway.
The what did you say? Oh.
Got the sneaky snake. Dave's out here filming. That's gonna be David. Fanboys.
So many supers in my life. I feel like I'm in Florida.
Yeah, really.
Demon with the LSX squad.
What is the name?
LSX. Here, chop it. This guy American. The only way to make a German car fast. True. Ooh, Inception, phoneception. This is the LSX squad. One bug, only one. I don't know that guy. Poor smoking you. I love the license plates. My hair is jacked up. It's 4:30 a.m. We're closing out the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the behind the scenes footage. Cinematic video dropping next week. Part 1, Friday, Houston, Texas. We're out. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, Fanby39, and we are locked out of our own hotel. Peace!